Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Shit. It's a good shot, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh!
Aggressive. Very aggressive. Very aggressive. Alex should get this pump player. He's got position. No, Matt's gone. Shit. That's a long shot for a pistol. Jesus. And here he goes. Oh, brutal. Oh, that's a jump. Oh, but he lost his hopper anyway, so it doesn't matter. And so, these guys split. These guys tried to stay together. You gonna see a rundown? These two are camping. That guy jumped early, but his hopper popped open anyway, so he's probably fucked. Oh, he's getting ready. Yeah, this guy's getting ready. Oh, now they're nervous. Oh, oh, is that 1 for 1? Nope. Oh, gone. Oh, check it. Gone. I don't know how. Jake and Zach against the two guys that beat me and Pete. This should be real good. Pretty much. Probably. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Jake's gone. Oh. And Zach's gone.
So these are other two guys that won. And these are the guys that beat Matt and Alex. Ooh. Oh. Nice. That got the pistol's fucking pretty damn good. Jesus. Oh, and they don't speak English, they speak French or Russian or something, I think. Oh, it's French. Idiot move. Lucky. Lucky. Very, very lucky. Fuck, it's gonna end up being the same game at the end. There you go.
Left home. This guy with the pistol's really sickeningly good. This guy with the pump's probably the best player here other than maybe Pete. It's really good. And he's running out of air on his bunker. Player's clean. Oh! Oh! Oh, roll out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now what can they do? They make some magic happen. Oh yeah. Deep shit now.
Might as well pick an end.
Let's take this pick. I like this end we played at last. You don't like it?
Whatever.
I don't care, whatever.
I don't care who.
You know what? Yeah, whatever, I don't care either. Ooh. Oh, now we got angles. Now, oh, maybe not quite as much angle. Still pretty good. Come on, Mark, come around the outside. Come around the, oh yeah, there we go. Now he'll have angle. Oh! Oh! Oh, and that'll be a game changer right there. Shit, dude. Home and home! Home and home! Home and home, Pete! Matt's gone! That's it! Nice! Pete, eyes are on me. His eyes are on me. Check my leg. Check the inside of my thigh. Oh, I'm hit. Yeah.